I'm a big fan of these drill bits. They're generally used for steel because they just end up ripping through steel. They're step drills. But I use them for everything. Even for this, they work pretty good. So I've got a different ones. This one here is a maximum of 1/2 inch, which is perfect for this. It doesn't really drill a hole, it more just chops right through it. So this one here, I'm going to go all the way up. Makes a nice clean hole. I'm going to finish the hole from the top down. That way, it's going to be a nice clean hole. Well, looks pretty good to me. A lot faster than a hole saw, that's for sure.